Hello and welcome to Return to Fit's Nutrition Basics. This is Unit 3, Healthy Cooking and Meal Prep, and Lesson 2, Meal Prep. In this lesson, we're going to cover 6 strategies that'll help you stick to whatever your plan as far as nutrition goals might be. But what is meal prep? It's just a set of strategies geared towards making it easier to eat healthier food by preparing things in advance. Without further ado, strategy number 1 is to have a pre-cooked day. For myself and for many, Sunday is the most popular day. It seems to be the day we slow down the most and have the most free time, but it can literally be any day you want. This is a day where you cook food in advance for the rest of the week. You cook healthy meals that you can freeze or refrigerate, you prepare salads for work, bake extra cooked chicken or meat, anything that's quick and easy to throw into a stir fry or a crock pot meal later in the week. Number 2 of the strategy is to cook double. So look at the days where you're doing something like chili or spaghetti and double up the servings. Make sure that there is leftovers, and you can take that and you can freeze that, thaw it out for a later meal, or just plan it as your lunches, which is what I like to do. Utilize stir fry and crock pots. Lesson number 3. So both involve just throwing very little several ingredients and very little prep work together into one pan or one pot. The stir fry obviously is a little more quicker and uses one pan. It just makes cleaning up easy, less time consuming, which is a big. I know, especially I cook alone a lot, especially when my kids aren't here, and it's just like, am I worth dirtying these dishes? So I use a lot of stir fries. I use the crock pot, not as often as I would like, but crock pot meals take longer, but you can start them early in the day and not have to do a whole lot of maintenance to them throughout the day. For strategy number 4, become a mobile snacking pro. If it's really up to the individual. I find that I don't actually snack a whole lot, so this one isn't for me. But it's easy to bring fruits, nuts, protein bars, vegetables, even just a small container of peanut butter that'll help tide you over if you are somebody that likes to snack. One thing I did invest in for myself was a small lunchbox cooler, similar to something you would see someone take camping with them or whatnot. So you can bring things like yogurt and cheese. It helps when I'm out and about with the kids and I want to bring something that needs to be kept cold, but I don't want to bring a full out large cooler everywhere I go. So I also use it, little extra thing here, I use it when I'm buying meat in the summertime. I stick the meat in there when I get out to the car so that it stays cold on the way home. Ice cream too. Number 5 is look ahead. So, and this is really born out of my own mistakes. I don't know how relatable it is, but a lot of times I've planned a really nice menu for the week. I get to a meal, say it's Thursday afternoon, and I realize, well, I didn't soak the beans. They have to soak for however many hours, and it just ruins the whole meal because I'm having to put double the work in that evening to get the meal cooked or whatever. So look for ways to save time. Soak your grains and beans overnight. So set a reminder on your phone. Set reminders when to pull things from the freezer to thaw. If you have to cut up fruit and vegetables, one day, look ahead, see if you can't cut up more for future days. Um, Little things like that save a big time. If you know you have a busy morning, make it a nightly routine to make a replacement shake, meal replacement shake. It doesn't have to be fancy. It doesn't have to be high end. A scoop of protein powder, um, your choice of what kind of milk you want. And I throw chia seeds in mine. I put cinnamon in mine. It's a nice way to add a little bit of sweetness without extra sugar. You can throw fruit in yours. You can do granola in yours, whatever you want in yours. But just find something quick and easy. You can grab and go in the morning. That way you're getting your day started on the right foot. And last but not least, eating out made simple. This isn't about your meal prep as much as it is your meal decisions. But if you're a family with kids in multiple sports and other school functions, it can be struggling to be home to cook every night when you're out and about every night. So you end up eating out. Fast food becomes a very heavily utilized method or choice. So this is just kind of eating out made simple. Skip things that are highly processed, um, high carb choices when you're eating out. Not that carbs are bad, but in the evening, you don't really need them. We could talk a whole lot more about that, but skip the pasta, skip the bread, order some kind of meat and vegetable platter, steak and fresh vegetables, chicken salad. Those are my favorites when I'm making smart choices. Um, choose water over soda or alcohol. If you're going to do a dessert, split or skip. And fast food, I honestly thought about doing a whole class on what to order out when you're getting fast food. But the better thing to do is go back to your meal prep day and whatever healthy menu item you could find on a fast food menu, you could probably prepare in advance for less, save yourself money, eat healthier, fresher ingredients. You know that they've been stored properly. You're a lot more secure. So that's my recommendation. Instead of trying to like, hey, yeah, you can eat this meal at this restaurant. That's actually just overthinking, making things more complicated. You can save yourself money, save yourself time, improve your health by planning ahead. And that's what this lesson's all about. So don't forget your downloads, meal prep tips, RTF quick recipe guide. If you're watching this on YouTube, you can find these at www.returntofit.com. Just click on free course and click on the appropriate lesson. It's all labeled, pretty easy to find. And last but not least, we offer a lot of different programs. Our goal is to help people. Our goal is to, equip you with the tools you need to be successful. So whether that's something that you have, one of our paid programs that you want us to just take you by the hand and guide you through the journey, one of our challenges to help get you motivated and focused and on the right path in just 30 days, or whether you just want, a nutrition guide personalized to you, the free nutrition review and coaching session. The coaching session is optional. I've had a lot of people say, no, I don't want to do this because I really don't want to do a coaching session. You can select that option to just get the nutrition guide based on what you input into the form. So all that can be found at returntofit.com. If you have any questions, email me at coachsabin@returntofit.com. I'll be glad to help. Thank you.